What's this newfangled device? These young whippersnappers, he's probably confiscated it from his grandkids.
Is that Ian?
My brother and I, yeah, I think that's Ian. Well, that's actually ironic because that's my dad's name. And my brother and I gave my dad an iPod for his birthday with all his favourite music already loaded on it.
We did that for my dad.
Yeah, you know what he did? His birthday was December 7th. You know what he did? Gave it to my sister for Christmas.
That's my sister's birthday.
It's like,
Presenting your birthday. That's so cool.
it's just rude.
That's like,
I can't get down to the
you know that sometimes you open it and you put the CD in there? Like it's a little CD
player. Yeah.
No, but it's like
Portable
a
CD
little,
player, Yeah, CD Walkmans. That's what I grew up with.
I used to have one of those and he loved it. He's getting me
Okay, this example, Ian has an iPod, guys. Ian has an iPod with 10,000 songs. And he has it on shuffle mode. So he's not got it on random, he's got it on shuffle. Okay? So he's got 10,000 songs and he's got it on shuffle mode. His favourite song is by a band called Aerosmith. Not Aerosmith, that you guys probably haven't heard of either. Aerosmith. Okay? What is the probability of Ian's favourite song being played next? How many of those 10,000 songs are his favourite? Nah, his favourite song is by Aerosmith. How many of his favourite songs? One. Out of how many? That's it. 1 out of 10,000. Now, we should probably do our proper notation. So I've just put P of fave, so it's his favourite song.
Right, let's get the 12 how we're doing probability.
Next one. We want to know what the probability is of the next song being played by Aerosmith. So, use the proper notation. So probability of Aerosmith. How many Aerosmith songs are there?
8
out of
9,920.
Let's say it's out of 10,000, eh? You don't take them out, they are part of that 10,000. Same as your chance of throwing a head on a coin is 1 out of 2. It's not 1 out of 1.
You seriously blew that.
Can that be simplified? Simplify if possible.
Type it in the calculator, someone.
Type it in the calculator, someone. Fave and Aerosmith.
8,000.
Really?
I got 1/125.
I guess.
8 over 1,000 is correct because you can get rid of those two, but then you can still simplify that. Divide that by 4, divide that by 4. So I would have said that, divide that by 8, divide that by 8. So, yeah, 1 over 125. And like Dylan said, put it in the calculator, it'll simplify it for you. Everyone happy with those? Alright, I'm going to do this last work example included in this recording because I couldn't be bothered starting a new one. So, this is where we use the fundamental counting principle. You're going to probably need to pay attention to this because if I said fundamental counting principle, most of your eyes will glaze over. Okay. Andy buys a new MP3 player and downloads only 5 songs onto it. If the songs are played in random order, random, not shuffle, random order, how many different ways can the songs be played without one being repeated? Well, it's not actually 5. You'll notice that 5 has an exclamation mark next to it. Does anyone remember what that means?
25. It means 5.
No, it means 5 factorial. Does anyone remember what that means?
Isn't that because
there's
the different...
It's
I remember this, but
got to explain.
Well, so you can help me explain it to the others. For the first song, that's alright, for the first song, how many different songs could be played first? Excellent, well done. Then, how many songs could be played second? Could there? We don't want to repeat it.
There's 4.
4. Then what about the next one? Then the next one. Then the next one. That is what 5 factorial means. I guarantee that will not be 15.
20,
60,
120.
Wait, he let me try. Okay, well you said that.
Now, on your calculator there is a factorial button.
It's the exclamation mark.
That's correct.
It's 5.
What did it say?
Whatever it is. 5 exclamation mark.
Yep.
120. Oh yeah.
But wait, mine has no error.
Did you put the 5 first or the exclamation mark first?
Oh, is that it?
Sure?
5 exclamation. Oh, don't worry, left this one.
Good. And that is factorial. What it means is 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times, well, times 1 and add. If I had 120 factorial, it would go 120, 119, 118, 117, all the way down to 1.